Hello and welcome to an introduction to Infor Expense Management. Today we're going to be spending just a couple of minutes to show you how to create a simple expense claim using Infor. Today we're going to be logging in as a UK user, Nigel Heath, who has been on a business trip and requires the ability to create a new claim. Here we can see all of the current claims that they've got in situ, but we're going to start creating a brand new one. So Nigel just needs to select that he wants to start creating his expenses. From that, he can absolutely give his claim a name. Following that, he's going to continue to start adding his different expense items. So when Nigel wants to go on a particular trip and spend on his corporate credit card, that feed can automatically come through to the system. Now by adding that, we can select done, and we'll see that it's starting to build up the claim automatically. Now this was a meal, so the corporate card just requires him to state which expense type was this. Now this particular one was lunch. So select that, hit save, and that's basically his expenses done for his corporate card. If he requires to add any additional information, such as what receipt it is, they can absolutely select that. We can see the information from the foreign expenditure, and then associate any relevant receipt that he needs to. So he can drag, drop the receipt in, and hit save. Now, he's also exceeded a certain limit of £15 per person. So you could say, won a great contract. Once he's added that in, it will be notified here within his claim, but also notifying his manager of what he spent his monies on. But Nigel, when he was actually to get out there, he required a taxi. Now this particular taxi was not in Paris as the previous level of expenditure was. So within here, we just need to select how much it was, the currency it was paid in, the type of receipt, and exactly where the expenditure was incurred. Again, he's got the relevant receipt here, and all he needs to do is drag and drop that in and hit save. Now he may want to add other additional items in here. Now he might have driven to the airport, to Heathrow for example, to actually get his flight to get out to Paris. So with the integrated Google mileage tool, Nigel's life is made very simple. From here, he just needs to select the to and from location, whether that's a town or a postcode, find that on the map, it automatically calculates his route for him, and then tells him exactly how much he's going to be reimbursed. Once he hits save, that's all he needs to do. So once he's completed his claim, associated all of the relevant receipts, explained for any out of policy spend there might have been, all he needs to do is submit that claim into the automated workflow. Any additional notes can be added, such as declarations for that expenditure. And then what you can see there is that within 3 minutes, we've created our claim, submitted that into the workflow, and now the manager, Michael Brown, has received a notification to approve that. Hopefully that's been useful. For more information on Infor Expense Management, please go to infor.com and search Expense Management. Thank you very much.